Hey guys, we're eating almost everything on the McDonald's menu.
It's taking a long time. Okay.
I got way too much meat for it to be
And then I need ice cream and.
Alright, I'm on a roll. Round two, bring it on. Round two.
Holy crap.
That looks so perfect.
Okay. Take this off. I have to get some color on there.
Did you use your new nails, Daddy?
Yeah, I haven't used my new nails. 4th of July nails. Gotta get them. Rock on, love you, 4th of July.
Yeah, that's right. He got press-on nails.
Love you, America. Alright, so.
Just like me.
Okay.
Alright,
I'm eating ice cream.
I was gonna say the exact same thing. Mix it up a little bit.
No, I'm not gonna eat.
I bet you the last time it didn't go well.
Well, I ate the whole thing.
It's brown meat.
At least your sandwich isn't melting.
I have to put. Yeah, right?
It's a leg.
It's
I
about
love
to.
the cone part. Like the very bottom.
I'm gonna
That's like
cut
my
this
favorite.
off so you can have the bottom half of this, but I'm just
I
gonna
want
take the
this
top
half,
half.
yeah.
Is that cool?
Yeah, just as long as I get the bottom half.
Okay, so I don't have a knife, so.
Yeah.
I got the first round wrong to set the hook so you get the second round
Okay.
wrong.
Yes.
Let's take this part. That's going on top of the tartar sauce there. Ice cream cone, tartar sauce.
You look like the perfect ice cream.
It's in my crotch. Should I get it? I got it.
Okay.
You can pour it in your little bowl. If you look a little bit out of
this
that bowl.
is melted a little bit. I need a spoon. Where's the spoon?
Still a bird.
You didn't ask me to get a spoon.
We had to put the sauces on.
This is very familiar to me, even though I've only eaten chicken and turkey.
All right, Link, you're up first, buddy. Roll.
Because it tastes so much like chicken, but I don't think you replayed chicken.
Habanero ranch,
I'm gonna guess duck.
barbecue sauce, and sweet and sour.
I'm
I
gonna
guess.
say it's dark meat.
Did you not give us a special one?
That was all we got.
Maybe she didn't have any more.
Yeah, it's probably out.
So I looked at her,
I
because
don't know.
I know they have ranch and all that, but
Where
they
should
didn't.
I put these? You choose.
Well, so I'm bobbing.
Where I put them at in the order. of
Right.
things.
I'm afraid. I'm bobbing my head in confidence.
Put the habanero ranch before you put that on top of this.
That it was done, that it was bread. All the
Habanero ranch on top of the ice cream.
Yeah. If it comes out.
It's so thick. Oh, get that close up. Oh my god. Is it good? Oh my god.
Oh, it's a good close-up. It looks like
I'm squeezing the whole
Poop.
thing out. That is literally McDonald's ice
it
cream.
literally looks like poop from the skew.
Okay, so next, we're gonna take this off.
Yeah. Put this one on.
Sweet and sour on the chicken and nuggets. Put
Fries.
some more nuggets.
It's enough nuggets. You're just gonna take a bite and you're gonna be like, ugh.
I know. I have a big mouth, so it's okay.
Open that mouth for us.
Are you ready?
You got some white on your mustache.
I'm drinking shake. I'm trying to get
Oh
prepared
my-
for this.
Gosh.
All right, habanero ranch, and then we have the spicy stuff.
Ew. Ew. Stop putting your hands in it.
I have to eat it. It's not like my hands aren't gonna be in it. My
Already.
mouth's gonna be in it, so
No, it's gonna be in
I
your
hope my hands
mouth.
and my mouth agree with each other.
No, it's gonna be in your mouth. Not you're gonna be in its mouth. What?
What?
Now put the barbecue sauce on top of
Barbecue sauce
that.
on top of that, and then I have to smash it together and try to eat it all at once.
Yeah, but like spread the barbecue sauce all through the sandwich. Just all through. Like put it on top of that, and then put it on top of the other one.
Because I feel like you would probably
Just
eat
gonna go
Okay,
with the
save
sauce.
some.
I want to say goose though because
That, that, all over the ice cream, and the habanero
keep my answer from the previous.
Okay. I'm gonna put some on the cheeseburger.
This
on this part.
is key.
Must squeeze the barbecue
I
cheese.
believe that you're probably right.
Can you
but
move your
on the
left
flip
hand,
side
please?
here,
Yeah, look at that little
and
sauce.
I'm gonna guess
Look at that sauce. That one looks good.
dark meat.
Also that one, but not that one.
More fries.
Cause one looks sad. Okay, can you just put it together now?
Okay. All right, fries. Gotta be everything.
I swear. And the other is
The ice cream is so melted right now.
someone. Are we really doing this? I just squirted out ice cream.
There's so much stuff inside of this.
It's so beautiful from this angle.
Okay. It's gonna be really messy. That tastes really weird right now. Already it's weird.
You haven't even tasted it. What are you eating?
It's not the whole thing, it's just a little piece of it.
Can you even bite that?
Everything in McDonald's burger.
Okay.
Alright.
The consistency of chicken, but there was a hair.
Oh my god, you really did.
Okay. Let me brainstorm in the hairy bird category.
How is it?
It's like gum. It's like bird gum.
You got so much stuff on your face.
The more you chew it, the more it becomes it quenches your thirst. Now, I will say, it's not that bad though. It tastes good.
Oh my god, I swear, if you take another bite, that means you like
I
it.
think there's a little skin in there. I've got an answer.
You like it?
Mm.
It is a smaller bird. Yeah. I'm gonna guess,
Get some of that action in there.
and I'm gonna say that that's dark meat.
That's not bad.
And I'm gonna say it is.
It's very messy.
Take another bite.
Okay.
Yeah, that close-up action.
Oh my god.
Alright, well, that's the almost everything on the menu of McDonald's and
It's all in one burger.
weird things to eat. Thank you. Bye, and
Mm.
hope you watch more of